What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Appreciate you coming back. This one's going to be super short. It's just a little preview of the video that's coming up on Sunday. So just 2 short days. We're going to be installing a few more parts onto Lilith. As you know, we've been ordering parts from the company Nicecnc from across the pond over there in China. So far, their machining capabilities and the quality has been top-notch compared to anything else that I've seen stateside and from a few reputable companies that are putting out the same exact product, the same quality for 3 to 4 times the price. So I'm giving them a shot again. We got a few more components that we ordered. It's just all cosmetic stuff. Let's dive down, show you what we got and what we're going to be putting on the Road Glide. And I think you guys would be thoroughly impressed if you could see this in person like I am, because I'm pretty blown away by how well this stuff is machined. But let's be real, most of the stuff that we buy stateside is coming from China anyways. It's probably coming from the same damn warehouse, to be honest with you. All right, so first up, we got these nice master cylinder top caps that will be going on top, obviously, of our master cylinders, the clutch side and the brake side. Matched in the anodized gold. We're staying on that trend of doing anodized gold on a lot of the accents around the bike. So we got these nice anodized gold, and see if the camera can pick up that machining quality. It's top notch, man. It really is. Like, they're doing a fantastic job with this stuff. I was kind of hoping, I was thinking these cutouts where it's silver, I was thinking these were gonna be black, but I can always fill those in if it drives me too crazy for my OCD. But you can see just how well that billet aluminum is machined out. And then it comes with our new rubber seals, and then it comes with new hardware. So yeah, that comes in a set, like I said. And then next thing we got is our shift arm. And as always, they've put their logo on there, which is super small this time. Usually it's like blasted all over the side, but so yeah, this will just sit out. And then we have our toe peg from Thrash and Supply that will match up there nicely. Again, super good quality on the machining. I mean, it's really, really well done. So shifter arm, that's going to be going on. Then last but not least, we got our shifter linkage, which will be going on again in that anodized gold. Again, machining quality, really nice. I mean, the consistency on it, on every product they've ever sent me, and we've purchased everything. None of this stuff has been sent to us for free. They're not a sponsor. I just wanted to do these more budget-friendly versions of stuff for you guys, kind of test them out on my bike and just see the quality. If the quality was trash right out of the box, these wouldn't even go on my bike. But yeah, these, again, this is well made. I mean, if that didn't say, you know, it's upside down, but if that didn't say Nicecnc on it, you couldn't convince me that this wasn't some well-known company from the US, because it's just that good of quality. I mean, it really is. It's nothing to wave a stick at. I mean, it's really, really good quality. So I'll be doing the install on all that stuff tomorrow, and then spend however long editing the video, and then we'll be uploading it for you guys so you can see the final result on Sunday. I'm excited to put them on. This stuff should look killer on there. I mean, it really is good quality. People think just because it's from China, that it's garbage. And there's zero imperfections. There's absolutely zero machining imperfections on this stuff. I've honestly seen more imperfections from OEM products than I have from these guys. So shout out to them. They're kicking ass. They're doing a good job. So I don't know. I've been happy with it so far. I think you guys have too. The responses from the videos have been absolutely great. I'm super happy that you guys are finding value in it, and it's helping you guys make a more informed decision on the route you want to go, because it is saving you quite a bit of money if you want to go that more budget-friendly route. All three of these components, the shift arm, the linkage, and the anodized billet aluminum top caps, $65 shipped. If you were to buy this from another company locally, well-known, you're looking at $200, $300, maybe $400 for those three components. No brainer. I've seen these from other companies, $200. For what? Because it doesn't say that on there and it says something else. Guess what? And this, if you don't want that facing out towards the bike or facing away from the bike, you can turn it and just install it without the logo facing outwards. Problem solved. And it comes with this nice little matching cap or washer, which will mash. It'll match nicely. So I'm excited to get it put on. I'm so ready for better weather though. I'll tell you what, I am so sick of snow. We've just been getting belted and belted and belted with snow day after day after day. And I'm ready for it to stop. I'm ready to get on the bike and just leave for hours at a time on any given moment. So a few more months, we'll be there. All right, guys, much love from Utah. As always, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And we will see you on Sunday. Peace out.